There's a roughly 13-year waiting list for people to get home-based or community-based care for their family members who have disabilities. While the state works to eliminate the waiting list, one of their efforts is now being called illegal by the Centers for Medicaid and Medicare Services. News 9's Augusta McDonald has the details, new at 5.
There was a law passed this year that said a family had to live in Oklahoma for 5 years before they could apply for certain types of Medicaid support. The law was created as a part of the state's effort to eliminate that long waiting list. In a statement, the Department of Human Services said, "We will not waver in our mission to find solutions to end the waiting list in Oklahoma." But disability rights advocates generally never liked this law, saying it limits access to programs and services. A group of them actually reported it to CMS. DHS contracted with a company this summer to try to assess every single family on the waiting list, almost 6,000.
We want to actually have a really good understanding of what people need, because we're going to use that information to put a cost estimate together that we're going to take to the legislature, and hopefully we will develop a plan for total elimination.
The assessment process is being closely watched by advocates.
Now, what we found in the past is that when DHS has closed cases, that the majority of the time, a smaller percentage of them are actually getting connected to services.
One mother with 2 kids on the waiting list says she's unsure about why the state is making this move now.
A lot of people are really concerned about, well, what does this mean for my child or my family? Like, we've been waiting already for 10 years and now they could potentially get bumped off of this list.
For any families on the waiting list, there are some Zoom meetings next week with the assessment company. I'll link the meeting sign up in this article for you. Augusta McDonald, Oklahoma's own News 9.